Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Demon Rumi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes near the top. Let's start with 2 angled lines, leaving a gap in the center. Then from the top, let's curve it out and up. And angle it back in underneath. Now on the inside, let's draw a circular curve like this. And a small circle inside on the top left. Now under the circle, let's draw a curve down and back around for the pupils. And color them both in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw some curves up for the eyelashes. Now tap on top of each of the eyes and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with angles up. Then from the inside, let's draw a small line up. And then curve it out on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now I'll top out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides and let's draw an angle down and in. And then angle it down to the center for the chin. Now top inside and let's draw a small curve for the nose. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve across for the mouth. Now let's hop to the top and let's start drawing the hair. Let's draw a curve in the center here. And then let's curve it down on both sides. Now top back to the center and let's draw 2 bumps up and bring it down, meeting in the middle. And let's draw 2 more bumps on top, slightly bigger. And 2 more, again, like this. Now from the sides, let's draw a curve down and in. Now inside the hair, let's draw a few curved lines up on both sides. Now top down and let's draw a curve out and back in for the ears. Now inside each of the ears, let's draw an angle down with a bump up at the bottom. Now lastly for the head here, let's draw the earrings. On each ear, let's draw a small circle. And then a long V-shaped point down and back up. Now on the left ear, let's draw 2 points on top. And then for the right ear, let's draw 2 curves down on the side here. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then let's bring it out for the shoulders. Now on both sides of the neck here, let's draw the braid behind by drawing 2 curves down. And now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across. Now let's hop underneath each shoulder and let's draw the shirt by drawing 2 curves down. And then let's angle it back in for the waist. And then inside, let's draw the bottom of the shirt with a line across. Now let's hop in and let's draw a border at the top with another curve and a line down in the center. And then let's add another border by drawing 2 curves at the top along the edge. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the shorts. We'll start with a curve out and down on each side. And then a curve across at the waist. Now at the bottom, let's draw a point up in the center. And then a curve out on each side. Now inside on the shorts, let's draw the belt. Let's draw 2 curves across at the top. And add some stripes inside. Next, underneath the belt here, let's draw a chain. Let's start on the right and let's draw a curve down to the left. And another one underneath. And lastly, for the shorts here, let's draw a charm hanging down. Let's draw a small line down on the right with a diamond underneath. And that's it for the shorts. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's move back up to the shoulders and let's bring it down. And a line down from the inside. Now for the forearms, let's bring it down again, curving it in slightly. Now at the bottom here, let's draw the hands. From the inside, let's draw a small angle in. Then let's curve it out and up for the thumbs. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve down and back up like this for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. On each side, let's draw 2 lines down, angling it slightly in like this. And then let's draw a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath for the boots, let's draw 2 curves down underneath each leg. And then let's angle it out slightly at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw a curve up and back down on each side. And then close it off with a curve across. And inside, let's add another curve at the bottom of each foot. Lastly, for the boots, let's draw the laces. Inside each one, let's draw 2 long lines down in the center. And then let's draw some X shapes in between for the laces. And that's it for the boots. Lastly, let's finish drawing the hair. In between the legs, let's draw an angle down and over to continue the braid. And then let's continue that line on the right side by curving it out and back in. Now let's do the same thing underneath. Let's draw a curve out and bring it back in on top. And let's draw 2 more curves down and up. And 1 more section underneath. Now for the end of the braid, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across. And then let's curve it down and bring it back up with a wavy line. And that's it for Demon Rumi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!